In this demonstration, we will walk through how to generate reports in Unity step by step. By the end, you will know how to access, customize, and export the reports you need. To start, access the Reports menu. From the left-hand panel, click Reporting, then Reports. This opens the Reports menu where you will find categories such as Sales Reports, Inventory Reports, and Management Reports. Select a report type. Choose the type of report you want to generate. For this example, let us select Inventory Reports. Click on the report name to open the setup screen. Then, open Inventory Movement Reports. Apply filters and date range. Choose your date range and, if needed, select a specific store location or category, etc. Click Generate to generate the report. The system will calculate ingredient consumption against sales for the selected period. Review the report on screen. It displays actual usage, theoretical usage, and any variances. If needed, export the report. To keep a copy, click Export and save it in Excel or PDF format. The same scenario will apply for all other reports, including management reports. That is it. You have successfully generated an inventory usage report from Unity Enterprise. For more tips, check out our other tutorials and user guidance.